Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go 2024 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system. Then let's tap on backup to Google Drive and tap on next. Tap on add account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. In this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Okay, we've got some problems. All right, so just be patient. As we can see, I don't want to turn it on right now. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policies, so let's simply tap on it, add to read more info, and tap on I agree. Okay, now we can decide what we want to backup: photos and videos and other device data like contacts, call history, device settings and text messages. Up to you. I will mark only this one for now and tap on confirm. Tap on manage backup, and here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got the backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, so we can back up the data using other connections than Wi-Fi, and to be honest I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So let's simply tap on backup now to finish, and from now on your device will back up your data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.